How to set Google as a search engine on Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set Google as a search engine on Chrome mobile. First thing we're going to do is go to Chrome and then click here, just 3 points, and now click this one, settings, and then all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, search engine. Click on it and then click this one, Google, and then just go back, and now as you see Google is the search engine, and that's it. That's how set Google as a search engine on Chrome mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.